Do you need a bank account for Chime? Let's cut to the chase. You've probably heard about Chime. Maybe a friend raves about it, or you saw an ad. It's a popular choice, offering fee-free banking and other perks. But here's the burning question: do you need a traditional bank account to use Chime? I know what you're thinking. Isn't Chime a bank? Well, not exactly. Chime is a financial technology company, often called a fintech. It partners with banks to offer banking services, but it's not a bank itself. So, does that mean you need a separate bank account to use Chime? Short answer: no, you don't need a traditional bank account to use Chime. That's one of its biggest selling points. You can open a Chime checking account without having an account with a traditional bank. It's designed for people who want to break free from those pesky fees and complicated banking systems. Now, you might be wondering, how does that work? Well, Chime operates a bit differently. Instead of traditional branches, you manage your money through their mobile app. It's easy to set up, and you can link your paycheck or other income sources directly to your Chime account. But there's a catch. While you don't need a traditional bank account to start using Chime, you might find it beneficial for some things. For instance, if you prefer to deposit cash, you'll need a bank account to do that. Most banks offer cash deposit services, but Chime doesn't. Another thing to consider is overdraft protection. While Chime has its own version called SpotMe, it's not the same as traditional overdraft protection. A traditional bank account might offer more robust overdraft protection options. So, should you ditch your traditional bank account completely and switch to Chime? That depends on your financial situation and needs. If you're looking to save money on fees, simplify your banking, and enjoy features like early direct deposit, Chime could be a great option. However, if you need frequent cash deposits or prefer the traditional banking experience, sticking with your current bank or using a combination of Chime and a traditional bank might be the way to go. Let's talk about some specific scenarios. If you're a student or young adult just starting out, Chime can be a fantastic choice. You can easily manage your money, avoid overdraft fees, and build good financial habits. If you're self-employed or a freelancer, Chime can also be a good fit. You can get paid early with direct deposit and have more control over your finances. But if you're a homeowner with a mortgage or someone who relies heavily on cash transactions, a traditional bank might still be your primary financial institution. The bottom line is, Chime can be a great option for many people, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Consider your financial habits, needs, and preferences before making the switch. One thing to keep in mind is that the financial landscape is constantly changing. New fintech options and features are emerging all the time. It's always a good idea to stay informed and compare different options to find the best fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.